Hi guys, you're watching JT Jones. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, and by the way, click on the bell icon so that you receive daily notifications.
So as usual, all the links are down in the description box below. You can go ahead and download it. The app name is Myrevolt. It's made by Revolt Motors and it already has some kind of ratings and downloads as well. Okay, so now let's open the app. Once you open the app, you will get two options. Afterwards, you will not get this option, but now you get this option. You can pre-book from this option and you can explore the app. Let me click on explore the app. And as you can see, the interface looks really clean, really minimalistic, kind of Google theme going on, and it looks really amazing. So the first thing that you can see is Revolt Rv400, and it will give you the location where your bike is standing. Presently, it's saying unnamed road, India Institute of Technology, the place where I'm residing currently, and it's saying the estimated range of 140 kilometers, and that is in eco mode. In city mode it will come down to 110 kilometer, and in sports mode it will come to 80 kilometers. Okay, some kind of bugs here. It's already going back to eco mode again and again. Okay, but they will correct it out in the final version. So it's saying that 100% battery is there, and you can have 4 options here: sound, geofence, swap battery, order battery. First, let me show you the sounds that it has. It has 4 sounds that you can change. So the 4th sound looks kind of funny, sounds kind of funny to me, and you can increase or decrease the volume of the speakers in the bike the way exactly you want. So that's really good. And if we come back, you have option called geofence. Geofence is used to restrict your location of your bike. For example, if the bike goes beyond this area, it will stop automatically. So that's really a good thing. So to edit this, you can go there and already add some geofencing. Like the maximum amount you can add is 50 kilometer. Confirm and apply. So new geofencing has been set up. So that was really easy and intuitive to set the geofencing, and it can be really useful if you are giving your bike to kids. Okay, bike to kids, but it's an electric bike, so I think it's kind of safe. You can give it to your kids as well, maybe after 18 years old. Okay. And swap battery is when you want to swap the battery. You are in a location where your charge is less and you want to charge the battery or swap the battery. So it is showing that in my current location there is a swap center. I can click on this and it says that it has 5 batteries there, and the distance from my location to the swap center is 1.5 kilometer and 6 minutes to estimation arrival. So I can just click on navigate and then go to the swap center or whatsoever. Okay, and then I have to click on scan code and I have to enter station ID. Every station will have its ID. I have to enter station ID and click on verify. Once I click on verify, it will show 5 batteries available and other things, and I can confirm and buy a battery. So that's really good. And you can even order your battery, like you order your pizza, you can order your battery as well. So that's really cool. You can set your address, home address and work address, and choose dates and other things, which date you want, and you can order your battery. And thirdly, fifthly, the most interesting thing is that you can switch on your bike using this. Just a swipe and it will switch on, just a swipe and it will switch off. So that's really interesting, really intuitive, kind of gimmicky as well, because yeah, you need key on some emergency situation, but then that's that you can have this feature also to impress somebody if you want to impress someone. Okay, then you can click on this 2-dot icon, and 2-dot icon will show you my bike option. Currently I don't have a bike, Revolt bike, so it's empty. Then my trips. Okay, it will show you the area covered or every date where you gone and other things. For example, it's showing that Wednesday 15 2019 20 to 221 to 237 I traveled 5.9 kilometers, and average speed was 25.3. and if we click on that, it will also show the map. Kind of cool, like you get on those exercise and body tracking apps, step tracking apps. So that's really cool. It's kind of interesting. And then we have another option is my swaps, that you can see how many times you have entered into a swap center, battery swap center, how many times you have swapped your battery and other things. So that's really interesting. So that's it for this app. According to me, the app is really well made. it looks kind of interesting, intuitive as well, and there are no gimmicky features, and no, I think they should not have ads on this bike because you are already paying more than 1 lakh or 1 lakh 20 for this bike. Okay, so even though at that cost I find that bike to be interesting, but then I think that there should be no ads on this app. That will make the experience more cool, more intuitive as well. Okay, so according to me, that's a big fat thumbs up from my side for the hard work that people at Revolt Motors have done for creating this app and showing us the demo. So it's kind of promising that Micromax is not shying away from its promises, and it's showing the demo actually. Micromax or Revolt, you can say. So they have shown the demo as well. So that's kind of interesting. They are standing on their promises, and they are showing people that we are ready to change the transportation industry, as Rahul Sharma says. Okay, so thumbs up and thumbs down based on your opinions on this app demo, and thanks for watching. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and according to me, the app is really well made. It's polished, it's looking like it's polished, and thumbs up from me for the app and the effort that they have put into it. If you like this video, thumbs up, and follow me on all my social media handles. Link will be down in the description box below, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Jones, and I am signing off.